Hey guys, Ben Ungermann here, Masterchef runner-up 2017. So today I'm going to be making a layered spice crepe cake. Alright, so these are the ingredients that we need for our crepe. Now what you need to do is you get all these ingredients at once, you place them in a blender and you blitz it up. So here we've got one of the plain crepes, as you can see, very, very thin. And then just over here we have one of the spice crepes. So this has that beautiful spice mix, and it's going to be really, really lovely on the palate. So we've got our crepes already made. What we need to do now is make a really beautiful frosting, because they're actually going to fuse the alternate layers together. So just to flavor the frosting, we're just going to add some vanilla beans. So we'll just slice it down the middle, and then from there we're just going to drag the knife and you'll just pick up all those beautiful seeds. Alright, so now that all the ingredients are in the stand mixer, we're just going to turn it on and we're going to combine it. So now's the fun part, we actually get to construct our crepe cake. So you'll just need to alternate the different flavors. Take some of that beautiful frosting that we've made and then just place it onto the crepe. Move it around, this is going to help fuse the layers. So as you can see, these crepes are beautifully thin. So when you cook them, you just place them in a pan. You can either move the pan around to spread the mixture, or you could also use a ladle and spread it just like you would a dosa. So now it's time to grab the spiced crepe, and we're just going to add that on top, and then it's back to some more frosting to fuse the next layer. So here we have the fully constructed layered crepe cake. So this has been sitting in the fridge for about 6 hours. The frosting's now set, so we're just going to finish it off with some toasted meringue. And the meringue is incredibly easy to make. It's just egg whites and sugar, and we've just beat it till stiff peak. Now we're just going to torch the meringue. It's going to give a really beautiful color and also give some texture and also a beautiful toasted taste. So we've got the beautiful toasted meringues on top now. We're just going to finish it off with a little bit of shaved chocolate, and we're just going to use some edible flowers as garnish as well. There we have it guys, that is the Milkmaid layered spice crepe cake. Enjoy.